Hello guys. Now in the next step we need to download the ISO image for free NAS. So you need to access to this website freenas.organization/download, or just Google it and then you can access to it. And here currently we have two main versions, 11.2 and 11.3. Use the stable one, it's recommended, and usually the pre-release version for testers only, it might have some bugs and also not to the level that I cannot use the stable version. So that's why I prefer to use the stable version. You can install this one also as a virtual machine in a VMware network environment. I hadn't tried in Hyper-V environment in case you are use Hyper-V. So if you have a chance to try it in Hyper-V and install it, please share the information with us. But with VMware, it's going to work without any problem. Here there are requirements. The requirement is you use operating system 64 bits. Definitely now, because we use Windows Server 2019, we have 64-bit processors and the minimum 8 GB of RAM. See, the requirement for RAM is high. If you try to make it less than 8 GB, in the previous version you used to have like an alarm, but it will allow you to continue. So this is again what we'll try to do in here. I'll try to give it just 2 GB of RAM, and I will see if it will allow me to install or is going to restrict me to use 8 GB of RAM. Anyway, this system supports 8 GB if we need to do that. It's all good. Now when you click on download, the system is going to request some information. You can provide anything for information. For me, because I'm already did it, so as you see the system start now to download. I already have this ISO image, so I don't need to download it. Cancel it. We close this one. And once you download it, here you have video how to install a free NAS, and you have a documentation. The documentation is important. I recommend to download the PDF file. It comes with 373 pages, because whatever we are going to explain now is not going to cover maybe even 50 pages of us in the document. It's a colored document and it has many screenshots. So by this you are not going to lose your way when you try to deal with it. And I highly recommend to use it. Don't use a Microsoft box at this stage, because in real life, usually you need to use either a real storage area network or a real network access storage. It is very rare if you use a Microsoft box as a storage device. And this emulator is going to show you exactly how you can deal with these kind of storages. So that's why, again, please use it. Now we have the ISO image. The next step, we need now to create the virtual machine, but we will do that in the next video because that might take some time. So we don't want the video to be very long. Thanks for watching.